Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about Rover. So before we get started in this video, if you haven't heard of Solo, it's this awesome app that actually gives you guaranteed pay in select cities. So they give you an estimate of your pay, and if you don't reach that estimate, they'll actually pay you the difference. So you always know at least like how much money you're gonna make. They also have a ton of other awesome features, so be sure to check that out. We have a link down below in the description, and if you sign up and link your gig account with that link, they will send you $15 just for free. I don't know anyone that doesn't like free money, so definitely check that out down below in the description. All right, so I wanted to talk to you guys about Rover, which is this awesome app you can use for dog walking and get paid for that if you haven't heard of it already. So this is an awesome gig app if you're kind of getting turned off by all these driving related gig apps, because I know that a lot of people are complaining about just how much money they're spending on having to use their car all the time, like the maintenance, the wear and tear on your car. So if you want another type of gig app that will help you make more money without having to, you know, pay for your car and put all the extra wear and tear on it, definitely check out Rover. So Rover is an app where people can basically like book other people to either dog walk or dog sit. They have different services that you can offer. So if you are interested in becoming a dog walker or a dog sitter, it's really easy to get started. Basically, you can check off which tasks you're able to do or like you're open to doing, whether it's dog walking, going over to their house to stay and watch their dog, or drop into their house to take the dog out and play with them for a little bit. Also, you know, having a pet stay overnight at your house. So yeah, they have different options for you, whatever works best for you. You create a profile, then you have to get testimonials. So you need other people to send in emails for you saying, you know, how good you are with dogs, how good of a dog walker you are, different things like that. Then you have to pass a safety quiz and a background check. They make sure it's really safe and that you're gonna be an excellent dog walker or dog sitter. And, you know, obviously you need to be a dog person to be able to be cool with this. So yeah, I don't know if they still do this, but when I signed up for Rover a couple years ago in Los Angeles, I actually had to go into a place. I had to like set an appointment and basically just like do a little test and see if I was able to take care of a dog, like putting the leash on correctly, the collar, different things like that. It was super easy. It didn't take much time. So I think you still need to do that. I honestly have no idea, but I couldn't find it online. It's super easy to get set up. So what's cool about this is that you can charge like $20 for a 30-minute dog walk. I believe they take 20%, so you're gonna be making $16 in 30 minutes or $32 an hour, and that's really good. And what's also great about this is that I believe you can walk multiple dogs at once. So let's say you have 2 dogs, 3 or 4. You know, you don't want to have too many unless you're a super well-trained dog walker that's able to, you know, manage so many dogs at once. But let's say you're starting off easy with two dogs at the same time in 30 minutes, walking 4 dogs in an hour. That's already $64 in an hour. So that's like really good, and this is honestly something that a lot of people need. You know, a lot of people are really busy and they want to just hire someone to walk their dog, or even dog sitting, which if you're a dog lover but you don't want to commit to having your own pet, this is a really good option. And it's also nice if, you know, you can't have pets in your place, like let's say you're in an apartment where you can't have pets, then you can choose the option to dog sit their dog in their house. So you're also kind of like house sitting in a way, you know, if maybe someone's going away on vacation. So yeah, this is a really cool option if you're just really sick of like dealing with, you know, everything that comes with rideshare driving or delivery driving. So definitely check it out. Again, it's called Rover. You must be a dog lover to be able to use this. If you don't like dogs, you're probably not gonna like this. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you've done Rover before, I'd love to hear what you think about it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.